Hello and welcome to Pipefy. In this video, I'm going to talk about Pipefy's conditionals, how they work, and how you can create conditional roles to improve your processes efficiency. Conditionals add another level of customization to your pipes, making them not only more dynamic for you and for your team, but also for your clients, customers, and suppliers. With this feature, you can improve your process's complexity or even make your start forms and public forms more compact by only asking for more information when needed. By using conditional logic in your pipe's forms and phases, it is possible to display or hide fields according to the value in the previous fields, and depending on certain actions. Let's get into the marketing request pipe to set an example. You can set up field conditionals in your start form and standardize its fields, or you can access any card of your preference and click on the three dots to set up field conditionals. Imagine a scenario in which your requesters can fill out the information they need in a public form, but they haven't found the information they were looking for. You can use field conditionals to show another field if your requesters want to provide other options for your team. For an example, in this checkbox, if the marketing requesters didn't find the options that they need, they can click on the Other button and a text box will appear. To create roles like this, you can click on the three dots and then select the option Set up Field Conditionals. In this environment, you can see all the conditionals that your team already created or even add a new one. By accessing the Conditional Panel, you can select specific scenarios for your forms and cards and ways to make them more dynamic. For instance, in the Start form, when my requesters are filling out the Request Type checkbox, and if they select the other option, if it's true that they selected this option, another field will be shown, which is a text field called Other Type. However, if they haven't selected the other option, the text field won't appear. That's because they won't have to give more details about their briefing. In this scenario, you can autofill a suggestion to fill your roles, and of course, always remember to save it. As you can see, if your requesters select any option right here, nothing will appear. However, if they select the other option, a text box will appear right here, making your start form more dynamic. And of course, you can also set up conditional roles to your phases. All you have to do is click on the three dots and access the same environment. For instance, in the approval phase, if Darth Vader, that is the approval responsible, didn't approve these requests, if he selects no, a text box will appear so he can explain the reason why this request wasn't accepted. Now it's up to you. Time for a hands-on experience and start setting up field conditionals on your own. If you need any help with this feature, you can always click on this Help button right here and open the Help sidebar, which contains contextualized help and tips, tutorials to help you on reaching your goal. You can also click on the chat icon to talk to our support team, which are real people and not robots. Thank you and see you next time.